another video, another vlog. Sharon's still sleeping. Welcome to another vlog.
Nga supervisor Finan of state national state Kosrae.
Check it out, check it out, check it out. Alright, good morning gangy. This would be the morning of Halloween day. But first off, let's check out this view out there. Alright, let's go down there right now. Today is gonna be a fun field day. I'm gonna vlog out the day. I have a very busy day today. But it don't matter how busy I am. I want to send out a big shout out all the way to my folks in Hawaii, all the brothers and sisters in the armed forces. Big ups to you guys wherever you are in the world. Remember that you are the reason why we are doing this. All right, so I salute you. We salute you folks. We are rooting for you. Keep doing what you're doing, and we're sending love right now. My folks out in Guam, up to you folks, and also big shout out all the way to Seattle, Washington. I know there are a lot of folks out there watching my videos here. If you like our videos, could hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. We have lots of videos coming your way. Shout out to my folks out on the Marshall Islands. Yo, wait, Yastaman, what's going on? What's happening? Yastaman on the microphone. Yo, I see you, boy. Want to send a big shout out to you folks. Mabuhay, Philippines. Thank you for watching Philippines. I know there are some of you out there in Philippines that's watching the videos, so we are sending you a big shout out right now. And enough of me talking, let's get on with our vlog.
Pidi. Mana?
Barbecue.
Kumpah.
No! Hi guys, önce var but you're not invited.
Hi guys.
Alright guys, that's it for today. Have a good night. What's up guys? Welcome to another vlog. What's up guys? It's Uncle Jacob's birthday and welcome to Tiger.